We are here today to show how to set up a project using P6 Professional Scheduling Software version 8.2. We're going to show you how to create a new project using the WBS template, how to unhide WBS structure using the group and sort icon, how to select WBS categories by using placeholder activities, and hiding unused WBS categories by checking the Hide If Empty box. We hope to familiarize you with the screens and some of the basic functions of P6. So let's get started. We'll come over and click on the P6 icon, input our password. So here's a new project without any activities or work breakdown structure. Across the top of the screen you have a bunch of icons that are quick links. These same things are mirrored in the different pull-down menus. You can move the screen to hide more of the Gantt chart, show more of the columns, or you can hide this lower bunch of tabs by clicking on this brown bar, right-clicking, hiding detail window. It goes away so you can see everything. If you want it back, right-click, select activity details, and it comes right back. If we want to adjust the columns that are showing here, right-click, come down to columns. Up comes the columns that we have selected right now. Right here, these are grouped. Tip for you, I like looking at this in a list. Usually when I'm going in here to look for something, I know what I'm going to look for, so it takes less time to just click and not have to hunt around for it. So if you want to add a column, select the column you want. It adds it over into the columns that are showing, and then you can use the up and down arrows to select where you'd like to place it in the column structure. We're not going to add that one right now, so I'm going to back out of this. Adjusting the time scale, if you come up and click on the time scale, you can come in here and select whether you want a 2-line format, 3-line format. This is where you would adjust how you want it to show on this screen. Down at the bottom, there are a bunch of different tabs. General tab, status, relationship tab. This is where you'll show all your predecessors and successors. There are some other tabs here that we'll use as we get more confident with P6 and do some different things. So let's get started. Let's import a WBS template. In order to do this, we'll go up to the Enterprise pull-down menu, click on Projects. These are the projects that are in the Enterprise project structure. Essentially, it's a fancy name for where we store all of our projects. You can see we've got a template in here that's already been built. It's got the WBS structure for nearly any job that you would do, but certainly more WBS activities than you would use on any one job. Work breakdown structure is again what WBS stands for, and it is just simply how you organize your job. So let's import this one. We're going to put our project in the training section today. We'll select the project we want to copy, right-click, copy, click where we want to put it in the training section, right-click, paste, and we want to copy all of the different items from that. And now we've got a copy. So first thing we want to do is rename the project. We're going to say this is the test project. And then we're going to open. Now that we're on this, we're going to select it. We're going to open the project. Project opens. We're going to unhide our WBS by the group and sort button. So click here. We're going to come in. We're going to group by. We're going to come down and select WBS. Make sure this hide if empty is unchecked and click OK. And boom, up comes our project with all the different WBSs. So there's another screen where we can look at this WBS. It's the WBS screen. And if you click on project and come down to WBS, it will add another tab that has everything broken down. And this is where you can input the names of the WBS, or if we need to add one, we'd simply go to the section that we need in civil permits, for example, select it, right click, select add. It will add a new category, select the name, and it autofills the other side on where it goes in the structure. If you wanted to copy these, you could copy, paste them, and it would paste into the WBS. We're not going to do that right now. If you need to rename something, you can come in here and you can click and just rename something. Once we get this complete, our next item is to input activities into the WBS. So we're going to come back to the activities view, come back up here to the group and sort icon, make sure that we're sorted by start in ascending order, and then we're going to come in and select the categories in this WBS that we want to put into our job. So I'll go through here and select several, right click, add a new activity, and you're going to want to add a new activity in each one of these WBSs that you want to show in your job. Once you've done this for all the things that you want out of this template, come back up here to the group and sort icon, and we want to come down and click the hide if empty box. This will hide all the rest of the WBS categories, leaving just what we want to see. And as you can see, there were the few activities that I selected. With that, you should be able to start inputting your activities and start building your project.